Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn Vedic maths. So in Vedic mathematics, most of the short tricks or we can say speed math techniques are involved, which are very useful in our daily mathematics, or we can say while doing calculations we can do that calculations easily by using this Vedic maths techniques. So today we are going to learn the multiplication trick, and in that multiplication trick we are considering the trick for the numbers which are near to 100. So for this trick the formula given is n1 into n2 is equal to n1 plus d2 comma d1 into d2. So here n1 is the first number, n2 is the second number. So if these two numbers are near to 100, then how to multiply this number easily, or we can say in few seconds. So we will first take one example. For example, we consider one example 93 into 96. Now we will see that here these both numbers 93 and 96, both these numbers are near to 100, or we can say both these numbers are below 100. So as these numbers are near to 100, we are considering here base as a 100. So here base is 100, that means 10 raised to power 2. So when we are considering the base as a 100, that time this product d1 d2 should be 2-digit number. That means d1 into d2 should be 2-digit number. If that product d1 into d2 is not 2-digit number, that time we have to adjust it in 2-digit number. So how to find the multiplication of 93 into 96 by using this trick? So see here, 93, suppose 93 is n1 and 96 is n2. Now we know n1 and n2. Now we have to find d1 and d2. So d1 means the number n1 minus base. Base is here 100. That means 93 minus 100 minus 7. Now d2. d2 is equal to n2. n2 is 96 minus base 100. So 96 minus 100, that means minus 4. So we know n1, n2. Also we know d1 minus 7 and d2 as a minus 4. So we will put this all values in this formula and we will find the multiplication of 93 into 96. Now see, 93 into 96 is equal to n1. What is here formula? n1 into n2 is equal to n1 plus d2 comma d1 into d2. So n1 is 93 plus d2. d2 is minus 4 comma d1 into d2, that means minus 7 into minus 4. So 93 minus 4 means 89 comma minus 7 into minus 4 plus 28. Now see the product here. This is d1, this is d2. So product of d1 and d2 is 28, that is 2-digit number. So here when we are considering the base as 100, that means 10 raised to power 2, that time the product d1 into d2 should be 2-digit number. Here the product 28 is already 2-digit number, so no need to adjust it. So we got the final answer as 93 into 96 is equal to 8928. So this is our final answer. You can check this answer by using calculator also. So this is the correct answer. Now we will take next example. Suppose 93 into 91. See here, suppose 93 is our n1, 91 is n2. Both these numbers are below 100. So here base we considered as 100, that means 10 raised to power 2. Here what is value of d1? See, d1 means 93 minus 100, that means minus 7. And d2 means 91 minus 100, that means minus 9. So according to formula, 93 minus into 91 is equal to 93 minus 9 comma minus 7 into minus 9. So 93 minus 9. So what is the answer? 84 comma minus 7 into minus 9, 63. See here, this is 2-digit number already, so no need to adjust it again. So our final answer is 93 into 91 is equal to 8463. So this is our correct answer. So this answer also you can check on calculator and you can see this is the correct answer. Now we will take next example as a 9.2 into 9.9. Now this is our N1, this is our N2. Now see, these numbers are in decimal form, so we consider it as a 92 into 99. Now see, this is N1, this is N2. Both these numbers are below 100, so we are considering here base as 100. That means 10 raised to power 2. As 10 raised to power 2 is the base, that means D1 into D2, the product D1 into D2 should be 2-digit number. So here what is D1? 92 minus 100 minus 8. D2 99 minus 100, that means minus 1. So according to formula, 92 into 99 is equal to N1. N1 is 92 plus D2, that means minus 1 comma D1 into D2, that means minus 8 into minus 1. See, 92 minus 1, 91, and comma minus 8 into minus 1, 8. Now see, this is 1-digit number, but here the base considered is 100, that means 10 raised to power 2, and for base 10 raised to power 2, the product D1 into D2 should be 2-digit number, but here it is only 1-digit number. So to convert it into 2-digit number, we can write 8 as a 08. So to make it 2-digit number, we will take here 0. So what is our final answer then? 92 into 99 is equal to 9108. So this is our correct answer. But what we have to find here? 9.2 into 9.9. So 9.2 into 9.9 is equal to, see, here after 1-digit decimal point is there, here also after 1-digit decimal point is there. So in case of multiplication, we will take addition of these digits, that means we have to put decimal point after 2 digits, that means here. So what is our final answer? 9.2 into 9.9 is equal to 91.08. So this is our correct answer, and this answer also you can check on calculator. If you are doing this calculations by using this trick daily, so you will get perfection to how to solve this easily. Now we will see next example. Suppose 84 into 9.8. Otherwise you can consider 8.4 into 9.8. Now see, we can consider it as a 84 into 98. Now see, both these numbers are near to 100 and also below 100. Both numbers are below 100. So here our base is 100, that means 10 raised to power 2. So as base is 10 raised to power 2, that means the product D1 and D2 should be 2-digit number. So here 84 into 98. Now here 84 is N1, 98 is N2. So what is D1 here? 84 minus 100, that means minus 16, and D2 is 98 minus 100, that means minus 2. So 84 into 98 is equal to 84 minus 2 comma minus 16 into minus 2. So 84 minus 2, 82 comma minus 16 into minus 2 plus 32. Now this is already 2-digit number. So what is our final answer? 84 into 98 is equal to 82, or we can say 8232. But what we have to find? 8.4 into 9.8, so which is equal to 8232. But here after 1 decimal after one digit decimal point is there, here also after one digit decimal point is there. So we have to put decimal point after 2 digits from right side. So what is our final answer here? 8.4 into 9.8 is equal to 82.32. So this is our correct answer. So in this way directly you can find the product of the numbers which are near to 100, and all these examples are based on the numbers which are below 100. Now we will see how to find the product of numbers which are above 100. They are near to 100 but they are now above 100. So we will see how to solve these numbers. Now see here, we took one example, 112 into 104. Here our n1 is 112 and n2 is 104. So what is d1? n1 minus 100, that means 112 minus 100 means 12. What is d2? 104 minus 4, that means, here both these numbers are near to 100, that means base is our 100, that means 10 raised to power 2. So d2 means n2 minus base, 104 minus 100 means, what is the answer? 4. So 112 into 104 is equal to n1. What is n1? 112 plus d2 is 4, comma d1 into d2. d1 is 12, d2 is 4. So 112 plus 4 means 116, comma 12 into 4, that means 48. See, what is our base here? 10 raised to power 2. That means the multiplication d1 into d2 should be 2-digit number. Here already 48 is a 2-digit number. So no need to adjust it. So what is our answer? 112 into 104 is equal to 11648. So this is our final answer and it is correct. Now we will take next example, 124 into 103. Now see, this is our n1, this is our n2. Now what is d1 here? 24. What is d2? 3. Now we know that 124 into 103 is equal to n1 124 plus d2 3, comma d1 into d2, that means 24 into 3. See, 124 plus 3 means 127, comma 24 into 3, what is multiplication here? 72. That is already 2-digit number, so no need to adjust it. So our final answer is 124 into 103, which is equal to 12772. So this is our final answer. In this way you can find the product of numbers which are near to 100. They may be, that numbers may be below 100 or that numbers may be above 100. But see here, both these numbers are above 100, both these numbers are above 100. So that both numbers should be above 100 or below 100. Now we will take next example. Third one, suppose 115 into 110. So here n1 is 115 and n2 is 110. Now what is our d1 here? 15. And what is here d2? 10. So we know 115 into 110 is equal to n1 115 plus d2 10, comma d1 into d2. So 115 plus 10 means 125, comma d1 into d2, 15 into 10, 150. But see, here these two numbers are near to 100. So our base is 10 raised to power 2. That means the product d1 into d2 should be 2-digit number. But here what is the product? 3-digit number. We know if 1-digit number is there, suppose 8 is there, so how we are writing it in 2-digit number? 08. But here what is 3-digit number is given. So to make it 2-digit number, we take this one as a carry and we will add this 1 to this next number. So see here, what will be the answer? 1, 2. 5 plus 1, 6,50. Now this is 2-digit number. So this is our final answer. So 115 into 110 is equal to 12650. This is our final answer. You can check on calculator. So this is our correct answer. So if 3-digit product of D1 and D2 is coming, 3-digit number, that time you have to take carry and you have to add to the next number. And if only 1-digit number is coming, so that time you have to take 8 like 8 as a 0, 8. So in this way you can find product of any numbers. Now we will take again one example. 107 into 101. See, here N1 is 107 and 2 is N01. So what is D1 here? D1 is 7 and D2 is 1. So 107 into 101 is equal to 107 plus D2 is 1 comma 7 into 1. So 107 plus 1, 108, 7 into 1 means 7. But here it is 1-digit number, but we already know that that number should be 2-digit. So we can write 7 as a 07. So it is now 2-digit number. So what is our final answer? 107 into 101 is equal to 10807. So if question is asked 1.07 into 10.1, so you can directly take this answer. So what is our answer? 10807. But where you have to put decimal point? See, after 2-digit here decimal point is given, and here after 1-digit decimal point is given. So here in answer we have to write after 3-digit, that means 1, 2, 3. So after 3-digit we have to put decimal point. So what is our final answer? 10.807. So in this way you can calculate product of any numbers which are near to 100, and that both numbers should be below 100 or above 100. And what base you are considering there, the power of that 10, that is here we are considering base 100, that means power of 10 is 2. So the product, that D1 and D2, should be always 2-digit number. So in this way we can find the product of numbers which are near to 100 by using this trick. If you understood this trick, so you can find the product 99 into 99. See, here this number is N1, this is N2. Both are the numbers which are near to 100 and both are below 100. So our base is also here 100. So you can comment in comment section, you can say answer of this question 99 into 99. So what is this? What is the answer of this product? You can comment and take again one example, 1.12 into 11.5. So find the answer of this product and you can say the answer in comment box. So in this way we will use short trick for multiplication, and which is very useful in case of competitive exams where we are having very less time. We know all the things there, but we are having very less time. So after practicing you will get perfection and you can solve or you can calculate easily by using this short trick of Vedic mathematics.